This weekend? Good. This weekend? This weekend, we're getting in shape with the ultimate outdoor gym.
I'm Andrew.
I'm Kevin.
Welcome to Brojects.
We decided to make a homemade skipping rope while we waited for Walker to show up.
Whoa. Fool.
Walker's on his way down. He heard we're making the outdoor gym, and he's pretty excited. Who's here?
Hey!
I got the invite down this weekend for the boys. Come in here and see you guys skipping. Oh, yeah, buddy! And it turns out that they're going to do a gym this weekend. Should be very interesting. And I think Walker's working on some forearm workout stuff. Pretty well done, this one, buddy. Walker did introduce the idea of using kegs of beer as weight.
Oh, yeah, cool. Nice to have a tap on it so you could adjust the weight.
Quench your thirst. Yeah. Kevin's working on the pull-down thing for your back.
I'm gonna core out a few holes with our curling stones. They're a fairly good weight. Slide that through like that, and then you'll have a little adjustable weight rack, and this will be attached to a pulley and a tree and a bar.
Kevin worked on the back thing, and I think that'll come along. Just make it look a little prettier, you know what I mean?
All right, up to the workshop?
Yep.
That's gonna work like a hot damn.
Yeah, it'll work good.
Let's go work on the pull-down bar.
Okay. Pipe bending was quite interesting. Kevin and I had hoped to make a pull-down bar, which is basically a straight bar, and then it's got about 22-degree bend on the pipe. So the hope was we would heat it up with the oxyacetylene torch. Gloves would have been a good idea.
Yeah, gloves are for sissies.
And then put over 2 larger pipes and just pinch it. The challenge we had was, what the guys got was a solid steel bar. Up. We bent the pipe, the bar is still straight as a pin.
Yeah, that's been in the other pipe.
So at the end of the day, what we've got here is a very straight pull-down bar.
Okay, straight bar it is.
So that was a bit of a fail.
You want to get the welder ready and we'll just weld that little tabby thing on? Like
Sounds good.
They have?
Perfect. One of the downfalls of the straight bar is it kind of disappears into the woods and you can't really see it. Ow. Nice touch. It's actually a safety feature. Your brother gave his head a pretty good whack on it.
It hurts. This is going to be a leg extension for the little bench I'm making here. The bench is also going to double for our pull-down machine.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ready for the gun show?
Guess you're not selling tickets to that.
So now that the outdoor gym is done, it's time to don the wardrobe and get working out.
How do you feel? Ready?
Yeah. I wasn't really on board with this project 100%. I thought we'd be like up by the smoker or something like that. But now that we're in this little contained area that seems like a gym, like when you walk down here, it feels like you're in a different space. I'm amazed at how inspired I feel to work out a little bit.
This place is awesome. I really love it.
I think the gym turned out amazing. It's basically something for everything. We've got a little station to do cardio.
Feeling warm?
I built the most amazing pull-down rack that's ever been seen in Canada.
Kevin reused our old curling stones, put them in a rack so you can just kind of pull down. It's good for your upper back.
Got that thing that Walker made, whatever in the world that is.
The arm one goes up to a pulley and it's on a rope, and you can do a lot of different things with it.
Working out his beer as the workout was pretty cool.
Oh, ho, 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 ho.
Well, there's not how to use that thing.